Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2022 to 2023 Volvo XC60? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Underhood compartment fuse box. The underhood compartment fuse box in the 2022 to 2023 Volvo XC60 safeguards and distributes power to essential systems, engine, transmission, cooling, lighting, brakes, and accessory circuits. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2022 to 2023 Volvo houses fuses and relays that protect key engine and front-end electrical circuits. It ensures safe power distribution to systems like the cooling fan, ABS, ignition, and fuel pump. Engine compartment fuse box 2. The engine compartment fuse box 2 in the 2022 to 2023 Volvo XC60 provides circuit protection for secondary systems under the hood. It supports components like headlights, wipers, and various engine control modules by safely managing electrical loads. The engine compartment fuse box 2, Type 2, in the 2022 to 2023 Volvo manages and protects additional high-load circuits. It typically supports systems such as the electric cooling fan, power steering, and advanced driver assistance modules. Fuses under glove compartment. The fuses under the glove compartment in the 2022 to 2023 Volvo XC60 protect interior electrical components and comfort features. They control systems like the infotainment unit, interior lights, power outlets, and climate control. Fuses under glove compartment 2. The glove compartment fuse box 2 in the 2022 to 2023 Volvo XC60 provides protection for additional cabin electronics and control units. It supports features such as sensors, communication modules, and advanced safety or convenience systems. Fuses under left front seat. The fuses under the left front seat in the 2022 to 2023 Volvo XC60 protect electrical systems related to seat functions and safety modules. They typically support power seat adjustment, seat heaters, and airbag control units. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2022 to 2023 Volvo XC60 manages and protects electrical circuits located at the rear of the vehicle. It supports systems like the rear lights, trailer module, power tailgate, and rear climate controls. Rear compartment fuse box 2. The rear compartment fuse box 2 in the 2022 to 2023 Volvo XC60 provides additional protection for rear-end electrical components. It typically powers systems such as rear seat outlets, auxiliary charging ports, and rear entertainment or safety modules. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.